In general, affiliate funnel clones is a massive assortment of ready-made promotional campaigns templates that have been created by professional website builders. Furthermore, it can also assist you in setting up a whole service selling these sites, thus allowing you to have an extra income stream. Not to mention that this digital platform lets you freely customize in order to make it become unique for your business. Affiliate Funnel Clones Review, Features and Benefits. Here is a summary of what Affiliate Funnel Clones has to offer. Provide a stunning page builder which allows you to generate any kind of promotional page that you want by utilizing the done-for-you templates, or you can even produce a new one using the built-in tools. Offer 5 custom templates that can be edited easily, and they cover a wide range of trending niche markets. Supply a third-party hosting service via Google Cloud Engine, which is basically a premium Google hosting service, so you won't have to host the sites by yourself. Exhibit the domains that you follow and like onto your website in a few simple clicks. Let the drag-and-drop editor customize your pages based on your wishes. Guide users through the process of using affiliate funnel clones with a thorough video training course. How does it work? If you want to start activating affiliate funnel clones for your business, follow these 3 primary steps mentioned below. Step 1. Log into your personal account. Step 2. Connect with one chosen autoresponder. Step 3. Add the affiliate link and save. Who should buy it? If you ask me, I highly recommend this website template compilation to all online marketers. No matter what your level of experience is, affiliate funnel clones can help you a lot in building a brand new online presence for your business through an intimidating campaign. By implementing affiliate funnel clones, you will be able to generate a stable traffic stream. Additionally, this automated platform is also best suited for beginners in digital marketing, as affiliate funnel clones permits them to set up a whole affiliate campaign in the blink of an eye. They can immediately display their product offers. As a result, they can start earning online profits right away. Pros and cons. Pros. Multiple ready-made templates cover a wide variety of niche markets. Provide thorough training tutorials. No prior experience in coding is required to operate this collection. Cons. It would be better if this tool is paired with a built-in template editor so that users can add their own graphics.